Hi everyone, and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the discussion of personal pronouns. Right up. Before we talk about personal pronouns, let's first describe what a pronoun is. Okay, so pronoun is a part of speech that is a substitute for a noun. Okay, so it's that part of speech substitutes a noun. Okay, substitutes, sub, okay. All right, now when we say part of speech, we have talked about the other parts of speech in the previous videos. They were nouns and articles. Okay, so pronoun is the third part of speech that we will discuss. Okay, so going back, we said that a pronoun substitutes a noun. So substitutes a noun, sub noun. Okay, so it is also derived from this one, pro, all right, and then the noun. So it means it is then a subcategory. Okay, now when we talk about substitutes, what's the other term for substitute? It can be proxy. Okay, so this pro here is derived from proxy. So a pronoun then is a proxy or a substitute of a noun. Okay, which is a subcategory of a noun. Okay, is that clear? Basically, there are different types of pronouns, and the first one is the personal pronoun. Okay, what is a personal pronoun then? It is a pronoun or the primary substitute for a particular or specific person, object, or animal. Okay, so these personal pronouns are I and me, she and her, he and him, we and us, they and them, and it. Okay, now let's review some examples below. Okay, let's first use I and me. Okay, now let's read the first sentences. Okay, you can repeat after me. I love reading. Again, I love reading. Okay, and then Zoe bought me books. Again, Zoe bought me books. Okay, now let's go to the first sentence. Okay, we use I, so this is I, right? It is a pronoun for a particular person, you, yourself, I. Okay, so I here in the first sentence is the subject. Okay, this is the subject of the sentence. And then using me, let's go to the second one. Zoe bought me. Okay, there's the me. All right, so there's the pronoun, personal pronoun me. Okay, now what is the use of me in this sentence? Okay, Zoe bought me books. Okay, what is the subject in the sentence? Zoe is the subject, right? And bought is the verb. Okay, me is an object. Okay, object, an object pronoun. Okay, while as I is a subject pronoun. Okay, did you get it? Again, I love reading. I here is the subject, right? The subject pronoun, I. While as me here is the object pronoun. Okay, so I and me are used as the subject pronoun and the object pronoun. So they cannot be interchanged, okay? Me cannot be a subject pronoun. Me cannot start a sentence. All right? Did you get it? Same is true with I. So you cannot say Zoe bought I books. No, it is wrong. Likewise, we cannot say that me can be the subject. Me love reading. Okay, that will be incorrect already. So again, I is the subject pronoun here. Me is the object pronoun there. Okay, now let's go to she and her. Okay, she played tennis. Addie broke her racket. Okay, who is the one we're talking about in the sentence? It's she. So she is the subject, all right? Addie broke her racket. Okay, who is the one we're talking about in the sentence? Addie. Okay, all right. Now, Addie is the subject, broke is the verb, and then her is the object. Okay, so again, her cannot be the subject, so we cannot say her played tennis, and likewise, she cannot be the object, so we cannot say Addie broke she racket. That will be incorrect already. All right, now let's go to he and him. All right, let's see these sentences. He sang nicely. Again, he sang nicely. Okay, the subject is, of course, he. All right, this is the subject pronoun, which is a personal pronoun. Okay, don't forget that. He sang nicely. He is the subject. Then Alec gave him is again the object. All right, so what is the subject in the sentence? It's Alec, and then the verb is gave. All right, so again, we cannot say that him can be the subject, so we cannot say him sang nicely. That will be incorrect. Likewise, he cannot replace him here. Okay, so that we cannot say Alec gave he another piece. That will be very incorrect. Okay, now let's go to we and us. Okay, let's look at the sentences. We cooked fish. Again, we cooked fish and they thanked us. Again, they thanked us. All right, now let's go to the first sentence. Okay, there's we, the personal pronoun. Okay, so we here is again the subject. It's a subject pronoun. And let's look at us. Okay, again, what is the subject in the sentence? It's they. And the verb is thanked. Okay, us is an object pronoun. Okay, so again, us cannot replace we here, so that you cannot say us cooked fish. It will be incorrect. And likewise, we cannot substitute us in there. Okay, so that you cannot say they thanked we. That will be incorrect already. Okay, now let's go to they and them. Right, let's look at the sentences. They ran, dogs chased them. Right, again, they ran, dogs chased them. Right, now let's go to the first sentence. Okay, they here is the subject. Right, it's a subject pronoun. Of course, ran is the verb. And then let's look here, them. Okay, what is the subject in the sentence? Dogs. Then chased is the verb. All right, of course, them will be the object. Okay, it's an object pronoun, so that them cannot replace or substitute they here, so that you cannot say them ran. Okay, it will be incorrect. Likewise, they cannot substitute them in here, so you cannot say dogs chased they. Okay, that will be very incorrect already. Okay, so that's they and them. Now let's go to it. Okay, there's just one example sentence here. It rained. Okay, it's a very simple sentence. Okay, what's the subject? It. So it is a subject pronoun. Okay, so we have used all the personal pronouns in the sentences. Okay, again, what are the personal pronouns? They are the primary substitutes to particular persons, objects, or animals. And they are I and me, she and her, he and him, we and us, they and them, and it. Okay? Now let's add another personal pronoun that together with it are considered special personal pronouns. Okay? That is you. Alright? So why is it special? Let's go to the sentences below. You are the best. We love you. Okay, so in the sentence, you are the best. Let's look at you. It is the subject, okay? It is a subject pronoun. All right. Now let's go to the second sentence. We is the subject, all right? And love is the verb. You, of course, is the object, all right? So you in here is the subject pronoun and you in there is the object pronoun. So why is it special? Because it can be either an object pronoun or a subject pronoun, okay? So they can be interchanged. Besides, they are the same, you, all right? The same is true with it. Okay, let's give an example for it, all right? Here is the sentence. It is raining. Okay, this is the first sentence. We hate it. All right. Okay, now let's read again. It is raining. We hate it. Okay, now let's analyze the sentences. Okay, it. All right, it here is the subject. All right, and it there. Let's see. We is the subject and hate is the verb and it is the object pronoun. Okay, so like you, it can be the subject pronoun and the object pronoun. Okay, so they are both special personal pronouns. Okay, let's summarize. Personal pronouns are pronouns used to substitute particular persons, objects, or animals, and they are I and me, she and her, he and him, we and us, they and them, it and you. Okay, so we are done with the first type of pronouns, which is the personal pronouns. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video, and bye for now.